Hey everybody, Steve here with Dave and Matt Vans. Today I'm going to be walking you through the freshwater system winterization process in the Lifestyle Vehicle Series, model year 2022 and beyond. So in here in our kitchenette, you're going to see our brand new water retention and collection system for the 2022 Lifestyle Vehicle Series. You may also notice I've removed the kitchenette door. That's just going to make it easier for us to access the things inside without having that door in our way. You're going to see two 7-gallon tanks, one for holding fresh water, one for holding gray water, as well as the internal components and hoses of the water system. So the first step in our process is going to be the removal and emptying of your fresh and gray water tanks. We're going to start that process by removing this block, which holds the jugs into place while you're driving down the road. Lifts up easily to be set aside. So we're going to start by removing and emptying your gray water holding tank. Pull gently toward the inside of the vehicle until you have access to the connection point at the bottom of the drain hose from the sink basin, and unscrew until it fully releases. Now you'll be able to pull the jug out, open the lid, and dump your contents in an appropriate place. Next, we're going to be releasing our 7-gallon freshwater tank. The connection point for this piece actually lives on the back side of the water pump. This white unit in the upper right hand corner is the pump that takes water from the jug itself and runs it up into the faucet. You can see on the front side here, there's a blue locking mechanism. This allows us to pull that connection down and release it. There's an identical locking mechanism on the back side. Now you won't be able to see this, but I'm pulling it straight down and then popping that hose out the back side, allowing it to dangle down, then grasping the jug and doing the same thing we did with the gray, taking our cap off and dumping it out. The second step in our process is disconnecting the remaining connection points in the water system. First on that list, we've already had our hands on it. It's that connection at the front of the water pump. If you haven't unlocked it already, pull your locking mechanism down, pull straight out from the front of the water pump, and allow that to dangle down and drain. Second on our list is the faucet hose itself. This black hose you see underneath here is what gives you the articulation in the faucet head. To disconnect that, we're going to find this connection point here. There's a small raised section that you can press in with your thumb or finger, which releases it at that silver connection point. And again, we'll just allow that to dangle down and drain. Just wanted to let you know it's going to be important to have a towel on hand to catch any of those drips that may come out of these hoses as we disconnect them. It's also going to be especially valuable for step 3. Step 3 involves purging all of the water from the water pump itself. We're going to take our towel, hold it up to that now open front of the water pump, reach up top here, turn our pump switch on, and allow the last of that water to be purged straight out the front of the pump. So that completes our winterization process. This is also a great opportunity to clean and sanitize your tanks and lines. Once they're dried out, you can put everything back together, store it inside the vehicle while you're not using it, and that will make sure that you have everything ready to go for your next trip. So thanks for joining us today. Hope you enjoyed this video and found it informative. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below or find us online at our website, www.dmvans.com. Thanks.